Page 255, this is the one at the bottom of the page. And again, it's a improvisation and you get to make up the melody. You're basically composing it. The only thing is they're giving you the key signature and the chord progression. You follow that. So the key signature, we're in F major. They're telling you the key, F major. And they're giving you the names of the chords up above. So we have the F chord, and then we have a D minor chord, which is here, with the F on the bottom. That's here. So we went from an F chord to here, and then a B flat chord with an F on the bottom is here. That's a B flat chord, I just put the F on. And then a C7 chord with an E on the bottom. A C7 is that. An E on the bottom is that. And the second line is an F and a G minor chord with a B flat on the bottom. The G minor is here, but they want the B flat on the bottom. It's here. That's a switch. And then a C7 chord, root position, F. Those are the sort of the chords, so I can hear the harmony and all. And then I just make up a melody that fits that harmony. So I want to use notes in the melody that's primarily these, although I can use passing notes and neighbor notes and other notes too. This is 1, 2, 3. B flat with a B flat on the bottom. So it's sort of there, and then use their this part. And the D minor with an F on the bottom. It's these notes is really what I want. So in the melody somewhere. Really, these first three measures here, the F is on the bottom. Here, and then the C is here. Make up your own melody. I'm no good at this, but you get the idea of the notes you're using in the melody are primarily those notes in the chords. You can use broken chords for the melody if you want, just stick with it. Whatever. Use your imagination, your creativity.